This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Highly desired 1,558 square feet upstairs end unit that comes turnkey, nicely furnished with newer items. This 2-bedroom plus den/2-bath condo has an excellent floor plan with large kitchen and high ceilings. Superb location at end of street next to golf course with tropical wooded preserve behind. Recently repainted and has plush newer carpeting in main living areas with tile in kitchen and baths. Accordion storm shutters for lanai and windows. AC replaced in 2014 and newer water heater also. This unit has an assigned carport space and exterior storage closet. Comes with social membership which provides access to all community amenities including pay-as-you-play golf. Colonial Country Club offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, resort-style pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This community is highly desired for its high-quality amenities, moderate HOA fees and convenient location near restaurants, shopping, the airport and I-75. Attractive decor, move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.